Hello dear, I am Nihat from Interra Academy.
Merhaba everyone, welcome from Interra Expo.
Today we are together again with you for Interra Academy new videos.
But before we get started, we have to give you some message about that you are seeing that we keep the distance because it is important. I would like to inform you about the situation of Turkey, about Corona. Today is 26th of March. Unfortunately, we also under the attack of the virus, Corona. We are working from home. Production is working by the shift, and only we are here to shoot this video for you. We would like to tell you that please keep the rules, keep distance, stay at home.
Stay at home.
This is the second video. In this video, we have another important devices. Right now, Nihat is going to tell us, going to inform us about the new devices. Interra iConnect. This is very strong device, and I don't want to keep long that Nihat, as a profi, please enlighten us about these unique devices.
Of course, you're welcome. Today, as you said, our product is Interra iConnect. This is really new for our company and for the market, especially. We designed this product especially for hotel projects, but we will use this product in all projects, even residence, even commercial projects. What we have, firstly, let's talk about the products. We have different ports in this device because this device is designed as gateway in the second hand. For example, we have 16 digital input in this device. 8 input in here and 8 input is here. And also we have two RS485 connection for Modbus RTU or RS communication. And also we have Ethernet connection in here for the TCP communication, for the GMS software integration, and also for the Modbus TCP integration. We can use this port. And at the end, and most important things, we have KNX communication port in here. You can communicate with external KNX power supply, or you can use internal KNX power supply inside of this device too. So it will give extra advantage to you in the project because you don't need to use external power supply in your project.
What is the power of internal power supply?
It's around 40 milliampere, and you can supply from this device 4 devices at the same time.
Yeah, for example, in the hotel rooms, it's quite enough.
Yes, yes, quite enough. Because thermostat, relay model, and sensors, and that's all. And I would like to talk a little bit for the operating system, for the programming, and what we have inside of this device. Firstly, this device is working on Linux operating system, and we are using Node-RED framework. This is very important because Node-RED is more flexible and more strong framework for the logical functions, logical operations. In Node-RED, customers, technicians and engineers can program any kind of logics over the web browser of this device. The programming tool, we are not using extra software, just over the web page of device you can enter in the system and programming device with the logic gate.
I try to imagine the page of the programming. Actually, I saw 2 months ago, there was a lot of, how can I see, the function or components. Yes. And actually this is a little bit different to program the KNX devices, because in the KNX you are choosing the parameter.
From ETS software.
Exactly, but here with the iConnect, you absolutely choose and pick the objects
And
connect each other.
connecting each other with the lines,
Actually,
with the cables. Like.
it's up to you. The function, you
Exactly.
will define it.
For example, in this device we have many functions like and, if, case, or function blocks like that. But at the same time, our engineers, Interra technology engineers, have special functions in this device for the automation market. For example, thermostat modules. We developed one function for the thermostatical operations. Just you are giving the inputs, and at the outputs it's controlling the valve. Just you are connecting the KNX commands for control the valve. So this device is really strong and fully supported for the functions. And also over the Ethernet, we are developing now Interra GRMS software for hotel projects, and it will communicate with directly this device over the Ethernet, and we will not need extra IP router or line coupler or other devices. We
You have
don't
to go through the TCP. You mean
Yes,
you don't
exactly. Over the Ethernet port, over the TCP, it will communicate with our Interra GRMS software. So for the hotel projects, this device will be directly the important device, the main roles of the hotel project.
Key product.
Exactly.
And please give an example about the hotel room. I use this one, iConnect. I have thermostats and communicate with the KNX. And I have digital inputs. And for the digital outputs, I can use, for example, combo.
You can use combo. For example, if you have small room, you can use 8-channel combo. But if you are controlling big rooms and more components, more devices, you can use 20-channel combo. You can choose any relay module because it supports KNX, standard KNX protocol.
Yes.
So you can use thermostat, KNX sensors, KNX water flow detectors, KNX DND devices, or relay modules.
I think that the biggest advantage about the structure, that in the room you go out by TCP, by the network, and without any, how can I say, the gateways.
Exactly. This
Directly
is the more
is
important.
right there. This is a quite big advantage.
You are not using IP router, IP devices for your KNX to TCP communication, and you are not using power supply. This is more good advantage for the hotel projects. Thank you for watching us. Hope to see you again in next video.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye.